baby. Hi guys. Hi go. Penguin. Oh my god, look at them. I'm at the penguin exhibit. Where you guys at? Oh, okay. Which day? Hi baby. Woohoo! Oh. Okay, what's that lorry law?
I think it's the inside got the parrot, small parrot.
Oh, okay, okay. See? You just press lorry loft and then they show you there are animals inside here. Like the rainbow lorry cat and the salmon crested cockatoo. Let's see. Aquatic birds have feet that help them move more easily. Oh, I'm just reading, you don't mind, right? Aquatic birds have feet that help them. Wait, which aquatic bird is this? Oh.
Sorry? Aquatic bird.
Oh, so just in general lah. Okay. Birds like common coots and little grips have flaps on their toes called loops. What do they mean? Where are the loops? Oh, this thing.
Yeah, it's like some little pins in their toes.
Oh, interesting. Very smart. Very smart.
Oh, this one is...
Also, it's like web feet lah, right?
You can see the toe is here. There's small little toe.
Wait, so the purpose of the web toe is so that they won't get stuck in the mud lah. Oh, interesting. Okay, then we have this is what? Is it the one we saw just now? Oh, it's different.
Pipe sterling.
Oh, that's the pipe sterling. No, that cannot be. The big is black, someone pointy. Which one? Oh, pipe ever set. What does the pipe ever set do?
No, never see.
Oh, at relatively low risk of extinction. Interesting. I don't understand, why do they like to trap this bird? Is there a reason? But there has to be a reason, right?
Maybe it's the look.
Maybe because it's exotic lah. The feathers?
Oh, it's no longer found in the wild.
Oh. I mean, I'm sure there's a reason lah. You can always ask the zookeeper and stuff. One of plenty. Place your ear at the base of the trumpet and swivel it left, right to take. You want to try? Hold on. You hear anything? Yeah, do you hear anything or you can't hear anything? Huh?
Just hear the sound of the amplified.
Oh, interesting. It's really like peaceful and tranquil, quite serene also. Like if you look at the birds, you know. Oh my god, yeah, it's so nice. It's like you can make you fall asleep, you know. Yeah.
Yes.
people buy like flash. I think for photography cannot, but for video light is fine. But we're quite near there already, you know. Or you want to walk straight to the amphitheater? Or since you're here, we just go here first lah. Then we check it out. The Sky Amphitheater is down. Okay. We just follow this lah. Got the map here. See? Lorry Loft is to the right. Sky Amphitheater is to the bottom. Oh, okay. Then you adjust the turn also. You can try put this on also.
Are there any birds you want to see? They will be worth it, yeah. And then allocate 30 minutes back to go. I will say 1 hour. The idea is that what this shows like is that you only have to really get back from for year 1. So we should be
Huh? You can pull up also as in I should.
This is my buddy Joe.
Hi everyone! Alright, so as raptor rangers, we conduct rescue and we also help to take care of the birds. You to some of our favorite predators on the...
Now Susie has nest, and it can go up to 10 feet wide. So we're going to take this stump as a marker, and I'm going to walk this much. This is about 10 feet wide. They can also go up to 20 feet tall, which is 5 times my height. Now that's a pretty big nest.
Well, we got a pretty big nest for a pretty big bird.
Well, it's because owls have soft edges, air turbulence, and reduces noise, making your flight as quiet as a whisper. They also have excellent eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
Well, there's more to just that. But the colors of their eyes also tells you when they hunt. So owls with yellow eyes, they hunt during the day. And those with orange eyes, they tend to hunt during sunrise and sunset. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, please wave and say bye-bye. Very good. How about a louder round of applause for our Malay fish owls and their lovely trainers.
Now you've seen some impressive flight maneuvers from our men forge the ground skillfully.
Now take a look at how he uses his long legs and sharp claws to turn over these rocks and tree barks in search for prey like insects and little bugs. But of course, they are also intelligent and inquisitive. Did you know they will raid the nests of other birds and even steal food from them as well? And just like Lina mentioned, these birds also feed on carrion, so being very opportunistic scavengers, when they see a carcass lying around, they will seize the opportunity to take a bite if they can.
Now Joe, what? No cheating. Gotta start from the bottom and then all the way up.
Wow, very high, let's give Ron a big hand. Beautiful.
Alright, bro, you've done a wonderful job. It's time for you to head back home. Right over there. Alright, let's give him a big hand, everyone. Now, southern crested caracaras aren't strong enough to open large carcasses like that one. They need some bird friends to do the hard work first. Friends.
I think it's vultures, is it?
That's right. But vultures are widely misunderstood birds. When you see them on TV, they are portrayed as evil, circling around the skies of the Americas, and are one of the few with a highly good sense of smell.
Carcass, the turkey vultures would usually be the first on the scene. And in fact, bigger vultures would follow them to the carcass, and they help to do the hard work of ripping apart tough skin of a large carcass like the one right over here.
Now, another fun fact about turkey vultures is that they have really acidic stomach acid.
And that is why he truly deserves the title King Vulture. How about a round of applause for Goncalves, our magnificent King Vulture?
Scream. Now that looks like a scene of chaos. A bunch of greedy birds competing and stripping a large carcass down to its bone.
Alina, did you know that vultures are social species? They respect their place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
So let's meet our next guest at the feast, our African white-backed vulture. Now this bird is the middleweight who eats the flesh and organs of the carcass. Once a carcass is found, they will wait nearby.
Of the meal. Ladies and gentlemen, let us enter our scenarios vulture. The heavyweights from Europe. Now they feed on the hide and the ligaments of a carcass. So unlike other vulture species, these birds are more solitary and they prefer to feed in smaller groups. Now look at that, our large male right back there. He uses his strong gripping feet and hook beak to rip apart tough skin to feed on chunks of flesh.
Now Joe, don't we have one more scavenger species for them?
That's right, Lina. One more indeed.
So
I don't scrub my face that much. I just put myself makeup, then so it's still my real face. Yang. Yang. You smile, say hi. Say woo, hello. Hi baby. Hello. I love you. Hello. Correct way, right?